Jamie, our project manager at Alair Homes Marietta, is here to check in with the homeowners and see their new space now that they have moved in.
Everything turned out so much nicer than what we expected.
This new space, an accessory dwelling unit, is a beautifully designed 36 by 24 suite. The kitchen boasts a spacious layout with high ceilings and a stylish coffee bar. It's complemented by a comfortable family room, a cozy bedroom, and a bathroom with a curb lift shower. The 24 by 26 two-car garage provides ample room for vehicles and storage, adding extra convenience.
People walk in, every single person that we have had come in here, they love it. And we love it. That's the biggest thing.
Yep.
Everything was so much nicer than what we expected.
It's everything we could want in a one bedroom. Yeah, it's everything we need. Huge kitchen, big living room, the high ceilings, large enough bedroom with a walking. That's everything. So generally speaking, it's perfect.
We are seeing growing interest in versatile spaces like accessory dwelling units, in-law suites, and granny flats. At Alair Homes, we're dedicated to crafting spaces that truly enhance your life. From thoughtful designs to meticulous craftsmanship, we are here to create the perfect environment for you and your family.